What to consider for condominium maintenance fees? Now, most maintenance fees on Oahu should be about $1 per square foot or less, but it's all dependent on what kind of amenities that the property offers. If there's a swimming pool, if there's a gym, there's going to be extra costs to maintain those things. And because of that added benefit, you can expect to have a little bit of a higher maintenance fee. So it's important to look at what the maintenance fee includes. When you're in a condo, most likely it's going to at least include sewer and water. Now on top of that, it could include hot water, which means you don't have a water heater inside of your unit. The hot water actually comes in from the building and you don't have to pay to heat up that water. That can be a huge savings. Also, it might include electricity, or it could include basic cable or sometimes internet as well. So all of those bills added up together, even though your maintenance fee might be high, if it includes all those extra utilities, it might be worth it, and it could be saving you some money. So don't only look at how much the maintenance fee is, but also look at what it includes.